Kansas for the 7th race of the season last week. William by the second weekend row. Will we win today? Hopefully not. Let's see. You're at Kansas. The green flag's out. We're underway. And Kansas. Big wreck on the first lap. I'm gonna come out. We're back underway in Kansas. Bell always. Oh, will we collect some more coming back up across the track? Yes, he will. Listen. How's it gonna come out? Here we go, we're back underway. Well, wait, down. We got another overtime attempt. Here we go. 2 more laps to go. Oh, we got a big wreck. 8 grubbers in the air. How many overtime attempts are we gonna have? As Byron is leading. Here we go. We're back underway. 2 more laps to go. Whoa! Bubba Wallace does a 360 in the air, and Blake Perkins is also upside down. Here we go. We're back underway. 2 more laps to go. Oh, Friesen. He's still at 360 in the air. We stay green as Friesen takes the white flag. A white flag. 1 more lap to go. Custer's being in the back. It's Friesen will win. Big right. Stuart Friesen gets the job done. And she'll burn it down.